Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the next big thing in online content creation, something fresh, exciting, and literally jaw-dropping, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a niche that is absolutely exploding right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to jump in and start generating serious income, all for free. You've probably seen these incredible, hyper-realistic videos popping up on TikTok and YouTube. A Yeti taking a selfie, Bigfoot chilling in the woods, Santa Claus having a blast, or even Jesus sharing a message. They look so real, it's almost unbelievable, right? And here's the kicker. Most people creating these are using a groundbreaking new tool from Google called Google Veo. Now, a lot of creators out there will try to charge you for this information or send you through endless sign-up links just to learn the basics. Not here. I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you, step by step, how to create these viral videos, set up your own channel, and start monetizing it, completely free of charge. So, if you're ready to tap into this gold mine, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. This niche is brand new, which means the early birds are going to reap the biggest rewards. The barrier to entry is surprisingly low, especially when you know the right tools and techniques. And that's what we're all about today, empowering you to become a pioneer in this exciting new space. At the heart of these incredibly realistic videos is Google Veo. Think of it as a powerful, cutting-edge AI model that can generate high-quality video clips from simple text prompts. It's like having a Hollywood-level animation studio at your fingertips, but instead of needing years of training, you just tell it what you want to see. This is the secret sauce behind the seemingly impossible shots you've been witnessing. Veo is currently in a limited preview, but access is expanding. The key is to understand how to phrase your prompts to get the best results and how to combine those clips into compelling narratives. And that's exactly what we'll cover. Let's break down the actual creation process. This isn't just about generating a single clip, it's about building a storyline that captivates your audience. As of right now, Google Veo is in a limited preview. You'll want to keep an eye on Google's AI blog and official announcements. Often Google rolls out access in waves or through specific sign-up forms. Search for Google Veo Access regularly. There are also communities and forums where early testers share information. While you wait for direct access, you can practice with other publicly available AI video generation tools that work on similar principles, like Runway ML or Pika Labs, to get a feel for prompt engineering. The core concepts I'm about to share apply broadly across these platforms. This is arguably the most crucial step. Your prompt is your instruction to the AI. The more detailed and descriptive you are, the better the output. Be specific. Instead of Bigfoot in woods, try a hyper-realistic Bigfoot, shaggy brown fur, standing upright, walking through a lush green forest. Dappled sunlight, GoPro perspective, 4K, cinematic. Specify style and perspective. Use terms like GoPro perspective, POV, cinematic, documentary style, slow motion, fast pace, realistic, photorealistic. Detail the environment. Describe the lighting, weather, time of day, and specific elements in the background. Snowy mountain peaks, dense jungle, bustling marketplace. Include actions and emotions. Yeti taking a selfie, looking surprised and happy. Jesus smiling and extending his hand. Santa laughing heartily. Reference existing styles carefully. You can sometimes hint at a general aesthetic, but avoid direct copyrighted references. Let's take the Yeti selfie as an example. Your prompt might look something like this. POV shot from a GoPro on the head of a massive, hyper-realistic white Yeti with shaggy fur standing on a vast, snow-covered glacier under a clear blue sky. The sun is bright, the Yeti is holding out a selfie stick with its large, hairy hand, looking into the camera with a surprised and slightly goofy expression. Extreme wide-angle lens, cinematic lighting, 8K resolution, incredibly detailed fur. Once you have your prompt, you'll input it into Google Veo or your chosen AI video tool. The AI will then work its magic, generating short video clips based on your description. You might need to generate several variations and refine your prompt until you get exactly what you're looking for. Don't be afraid to experiment. This iterative process is key to getting high-quality results. This is where you transform raw AI clips into a compelling story. You'll need a video editing software. Don't worry, you don't need expensive programs. Free options like DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, mobile and desktop, or even the built-in video editor on your phone can do wonders. Choose your best clips. Select the most visually stunning and narrative-driven clips generated by Veo. Sequence your story. Think about what you want your video to convey. Are you showing a day in the life of Bigfoot? A series of interactions with Santa? Arrange your clips in a logical and engaging order. Add transitions. Use subtle cuts or simple transitions to create a smooth flow between clips. Incorporate music and sound effects. This is critical for immersion. Royalty-free music and sound effects can dramatically enhance the realism and emotional impact of your videos. YouTube's audio library is a great free resource. If you're showing Bigfoot, add ambient forest sounds. For the Yeti, icy wind sounds. As seen in the examples, adding text overlays like hi followers or context can make the videos even more engaging, especially for platforms like TikTok, where text is king. If you're posting to TikTok, keep videos short and punchy, often 15 to 60 seconds. For YouTube, you can go longer, perhaps 1 to 3 minutes for a single vlog-style video, or even longer for compilations. If you're finding this valuable so far and feeling inspired to start creating, let me know in the comments below. What kind of AI-generated videos are you most excited to make? Your engagement helps this channel reach more aspiring creators like you. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, how to turn these incredible videos into actual income. The monetization strategies for this niche are robust and similar to any other successful content channel, but with a unique advantage due to the novelty of the content. 1. YouTube AdSense. This is the most straightforward method. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days, you can enable AdSense and earn revenue from ads placed on your videos. The hyper-engaging nature of these AI videos can help you reach these milestones quickly. 2. TikTok Creator Fund. For TikTok, the Creator Fund allows eligible creators to earn money based on video views and engagement. While the per-view rate can vary, viral content on TikTok can generate significant income quickly. 3. Affiliate Marketing. This is where you can get really creative. AI could review and recommend AI video generation tools, like Runway ML or other prompt engineering resources, and earn a commission for every sign-up through your unique affiliate link. Recommend the editing software you use, and if they have an affiliate program, you earn a cut. If you're making Bigfoot vlogs, you could promote outdoor gear, camping equipment, or even paranormal investigation books. The possibilities are endless. If you become an expert in prompt engineering, you could create and sell a guide or ebook on how to write effective prompts for AI video generation. 4. Brand deals and sponsorships. As your channel grows and you gain a substantial following, brands might approach you for sponsored content. Imagine a company selling outdoor apparel wanting Bigfoot to wear their jacket in a video, or a travel agency sponsoring a Yeti's Arctic adventure. The unique nature of your content makes you a highly attractive partner for innovative brands. 5. Selling merchandise. Once you establish a strong brand identity around your AI characters, the official Bigfoot vlogs or Yeti adventures. For dedicated fans who love your content, you can set up a Patreon or Ko-Fi account, allowing them to support your work directly through monthly pledges or one-time donations. You could offer exclusive content or early access to videos for your patrons. This niche is blowing up for several key reasons. Novelty factor. It's new, it's fresh, and it's captivating. People are genuinely amazed by the realism and creativity. High engagement. The is it real factor drives immense curiosity and engagement. Viewers are more likely to watch, comment, and share. Low barrier to entry with the right guidance. Unlike traditional animation or filmmaking, you don't need massive budgets or specialized skills. With AI, you're becoming a director and storyteller without the need for expensive equipment or teams. Virality potential. Content that sparks curiosity and debate tends to go viral. These videos are inherently shareable. Most creators are still figuring this out, or worse, trying to gatekeep the information. By providing a clear step-by-step guide like this, you're not just creating content, you're empowering others. And remember, the sooner you start, the more opportunity you have to establish yourself as a leader in this exciting new space. So, you've learned how to create the videos and how to monetize them. Here's a quick roadmap to launch your channel. Niche down initially. While you can create various characters, consider starting with one character or theme, Bigfoot's daily adventures or Yeti vlogs, to build a consistent audience. Consistent content. Post regularly, whether it's daily TikToks or weekly YouTube videos. Consistency is key to growth. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community around your content. Promote across platforms. Don't just stick to one platform. Share your YouTube videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and vice versa. Leverage cross-promotion. Analyze and adapt. Pay attention to which videos perform well. What kind of prompts got the best results? What stories resonate most with your audience? Use analytics to refine your strategy. This is truly a revolutionary time in content creation. The ability to generate realistic video from text is a game changer, and Google Veo is at the forefront. You now have the knowledge and the roadmap to dive into this incredible niche, create mind-blowing content, and start building a profitable channel. If you're ready to take action and start making these videos, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video, where I might even do a live demo of prompt engineering for AI video. The future of content is now, and you're officially equipped to be a part of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.